Not all who wander are lost. Hi class, my name is Shiran, and today I'm going to tell you guys about a passion and a hobby of mine and how I connected them together. So a huge passion of mine is traveling. I love exploring new places, meeting new people, becoming one of the locals, and really just diverging into new cultures and meeting new people and getting to talk to them. So a huge hobby of mine that I've always had as well is food and culinary, whether that means cooking at home or trying new food at different restaurants, different countries, different places. I will travel for food. So a way I found to connect them is by creating a food blog, and I was able to also make a bit of a career out of it. So in the first picture right here is a picture of me in San Francisco where I discovered Cowgirl Creamery, which I must say has the best cheese I've ever tasted, including their grilled cheese sandwich, and you can dip it in their tomato sauce, and it was so good. Luckily, they do sell their cheese in different grocery stores, so you don't have to go all the way to San Francisco to be able to try their cheese, but to get this specific sandwich, you do. On the left of that is a picture of me, well, two pictures of me, one where it was day 11 at breakfast, and you could tell that I ate a lot, and I ate a lot early in the morning. So I was eating throughout the whole entire day because Israel's food is delicious. Their spices, as you can see, are beautiful and colorful, and there's just so much to eat there, so much to discover, so much richness in their culture. And I think that might be my favorite place to go in general, but especially for their food. To the left of that, in the top left corner, is a picture of me in Cartagena, Colombia, where I was strolling the streets. And I know that sometimes street food is a little questionable, but I decided to go for it, and luckily I didn't regret it. You can see in the picture, I had arepas, which is basically cheese filled into a type of dough bread made out of corn. Below that are three pictures together where I'm in Italy with my sister, and if you just watched me for the 7 days I was there, it looked like I was in an all-carb diet with a side of coffee. I ate pasta, pizza, all the carbs you can think of, croissants, they were in me. But it was bellissimo, as the Italians would say. And then, as you can see on the right next to me is a picture of one of the things I do for food blogging, which is my Instagram. I am able to travel and take pictures of food that I get to eat, which is the best part of it all. Am I saying that food is the best part of traveling? Possibly. Of course, there's so much to traveling, exploring, meeting new people, going to new places, but really getting to eat the food and the freshness of the fruits and the vegetable, and trying different ethnicities of food and different cultures is just honestly one of my favorite things to do and passions. And if I can do it at least once a year, I know that I got my goal for the year. But if I can do it more times and make it, hopefully once I graduate from college, more of a career than just a hobby and passion, that would be the ultimate goal. Ciao for now.